Hi friends, in this video we are going to do equity research on Nexstar Media Group, Inc. This is a media company and the ticker is NXST. It is engaged in the ownership, operation and sale of television stations, digital media properties, and other related businesses. The PB ratio is 2.56. The dividend yield is 1.43%. The debt-to-equity ratio is 1.14. The return on equity is 20.32%, and the current ratio is 1.23. The quick ratio is 0.91. The 3-year revenue growth rate is 4.47%, and the 5-year revenue growth rate is 6.73%. The main competitors of the company are Sinclair Broadcast Group and Gray Television. The forward PE ratio is 8.29, which is lower than the sector average of 11.53. The stock is undervalued, and the company has a strong balance sheet. However, the company operates in a cyclical industry, and the future growth of the company depends on the growth of the advertising market. Please do your own research and invest wisely. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. The main products and services of the company are TV broadcasting and digital advertising. The company's competitive advantages are its portfolio of media properties, strong local market position, and the ability to generate revenue from multiple sources. The 3-year net profit growth rate is 20.32%, and the earnings per share is $2.82. It was incorporated in 1996 and is headquartered in Illinois, United States. Currently, it has a market cap of $4.7 billion, and the current share price is trading at $28.54. The 52-week high is $39.43, and the 52-week low is $22.61. It is listed on the NASDAQ exchange. Now, before we start, it's very important to understand that this channel is not registered as an investment advisor. This content is for educational purposes only. And with that being said, let's get started with the video. So first, we will look at the basic overview of the company. Nexstar Media Group, Inc. is an American media company. Next, we will look at the key financial metrics of the company. The PE ratio is 9.97. Let's now look at the balance sheet strength of the company. The total debt is $2.5 billion and the cash reserves are $91.7 million. So the net debt position is $2.41 billion. The free cash flow has been negative in the last 5 years. Now let's look at the management and shareholding of the company. The CEO of the company is Mr. Perry S. Sook. He has been in this role since 2017. The CFO is Mr. Lee A. Abrams. He has been in this role since 2014. The chairman of the board is Mr. John A. Paulson. There are no promoters involved in the company. The institutional shareholding is 68.58%. Next, we will do a competitive analysis of the company. Finally, let's look at the valuation of the company. The stock is currently undervalued. The current price is less than the intrinsic value. To conclude, this is a good stock for long-term investors who are looking for a defensive stock.